Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on ClearTax. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in cleartax.in and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ClearTax website. Now from the homepage, click on the Get Started button at the top right corner and then click on the File Now button. You will now be taken into the sign up page, from which if you already have an account, you can click on the login button at the top right corner. Then from the login page, you can enter your email address and your password. Type in the email address that you used while signing up to create your account and then type in your account password. Then click on the Agree and Continue button and you will be signed into your account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will see the Reset Password button after clicking on Agree and Continue, and once you click on this button, you will be allowed to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how you can log into your account on the ClearTax website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.